Hello, a good day to you, and I'm welcoming to you my YouTube channel, Chittagong Voice. So today I'm going to show you how to add other channels on your channel, like feature channels. Yes, whenever we want to add some channels, and we would like to feature other channels on our channel, so we can add them by our channel. So first of all, we need to do what click on the customize channel. As you can see that when we visit our channel, we have two options. For before that, you need to log into your own channel. So whenever you want to do anything on your channel, you need to log onto your YouTube channel. So then you can see that there is two options, like the customize channel, and another is manage videos. So if we want to add other channels and we would like to feature them on our YouTube channel, so we can click on the customize channel. So when we click on the customize channel, it will take us to the YouTube Creator Studio, and then we can see that there is option the channel customization. Yes, from here we can customize our channel. What we want to see on our channel, like you can see that we have some video spotlight on a feature section here. So you can customize the layout channel homepage with up to 12 sections. Yes, you can add 12 sections on your layout. So to do add some channel on your YouTube channel, you can so click on the add section. You can see here the plus sign, so we need to click on this section, and then we can see there are some options like videos. We can upload and popular videos, short videos, live now, past live stream, and others. We can also create some playlist over here, and then at the bottom of the section we can see there's a channel subscription and feature channels. So we need to click on the feature channels. So whenever we click on the feature channels, we can title or add the title whatever we want. So if you add your own channel or other channels, you can add the section title. So let me add some sections. So it could be it could be anything, whatever you like. So if you have so many channels and you would like to add on your channels, you can mention your channels, like subscribe my other channels or visit my other channels or anything else you would like to, you can add on there. So let me add section title on here. So then after this I will add my other channel here. So let me think what I can add on my channel here, because I'm just going to show you. So I may add the section title here, like other awesome channels you can subscribe. So it's all up to you. So after adding the section title, you need to search the channel you want to add on your feature channel. So I have 3 other channels which I have created for my other businesses. So I will add them gradually. So let me type the channel name. So one is IT Solution 365. So when you will type your channel name, it will prompt here. So select on the air, and you can see the channel section will show the channel name. So after this I will add other channel, like I have created 2 new channels. Still I haven't uploaded any videos on there, but by very soon I'm going to add the videos over there. So the channel name are the Ranger. So those channels are not having any subscriber yet, so it may be tough to find out them. So I will collect the channel URL from here. So like you can see the Ranger. So I will copy the link and paste it over here. So it will show the channel name over here, and you have to select over here. You can tick mark over there, and you can see the channel is added over here. And another channel I will add, like the kitchen garage. It is for my cooking channel. So I will also paste it here, the URL. And so right now let me click on the channel. So both the three each of the three channels I have selected here, and you can add more channel you would like to feature on your channel. So just click on the done option, so it will add it on your feature action. So whenever you want, you can add them from here. So after finishing the section feature, you have featured the channels, you need to do the final initiative that is publish. So click on the publish button, and it will save it here. So let me take you from the beginning stage. So I have bring you on my channel section, which is not refreshed yet. So just click on the refresh button. I think it will work it here, and you can see the channels over here. Not done yet. So it's not updated yet, so I think it will take the time. So another thing you can do over here is you can place it anywhere you want. If you have more sections, you can click and drag and drop over the section you want to add them. So it will show on the section. So right now also save and publish it. Let's click on the view channel. It will, I hope, yes, there is a channel section. You can see that other awesome channels you can subscribe. So my channels are featured here, so you can also if you don't have subscribe my channel, these channels, you can click here to subscribe. So I hope you will like the video. Just it's a small video for you, how you can add how you can feature some other channels on your YouTube channel. So this is the way how you can add all the channels you want to add on your channel. So I hope you will like the video, and if you want to get more videos like this, you can write down whatever you want to watch from me. So I hope you will also like and comment on my videos, and if you don't have subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel Chittagong Boys. I hope you will encourage me to publish more videos like this. So till then, see you. Thank you.